everyone, it's Eugene Holden, and this is your daily guide for March 21st. And it is entitled, United State of Consciousness. Thurgood Marshall once said, "In recognizing the humanity of our fellow beings, we pay ourselves the highest tribute." And Dr. Holmes in the Science of Mind textbook reminds us, the universe is a perfect, undivided whole, and healing can take place only when one is unified with it. See, we have to come to the awareness that unity is our nature. Unity is our nature. Here is the daily guide. The second step in that affirmative prayer is unification, being one with what we recognized in step one. In other words, I am one with God. Now, follow me here. So, we recognize God, the infinite intelligence, as being in all, through all, and as all, right? There is no place where God, divine intelligence, the universe, whatever name works for you, is not. There is no place where this infinite intelligence is not. You know, I like to say sometimes if a person doesn't like the word God, and it's understandable as to why, and then replace that word with the word life. There is no place where life is not. There is no place where air is not. There is no place where love is not. There is no place where what I call God is not. Now, if we are really serious about this, then we recognize the divine in all, even in those people and events that may push our buttons. Check this out, right? If we say that God is everywhere present, and we really, really believe that we are united with the infinite intelligence, and the infinite intelligence reveals itself as all there is, and then that means that Spirit, the universal intelligence, God, whatever you choose to call it, is showing up in that person that has triggered you, that has pushed your button. I heard Iyanla Van Zant say years ago, it is God cleverly disguised as that person. Having a united state of consciousness is about being connected with, check this out, right? It is about being connected with like-minded people who do not waste time complaining about or belittling others. Man, we don't have time for that. Not only that, because we are unified, as I am complaining about that person, going back to recognition, whatever I am complaining about and I am recognizing it in them, there must be some of that within me. So we don't want to waste our time complaining about situations or belittling people. What we want to do is to spend our time. We want to invest our time in uplifting everyone in our conscious awareness. See, it is about recognizing that we all come from the same source, the love intelligence that governs the universe. Remember, by nature, we are unity. We are unity by nature. You have heard the phrase before, right? United we stand, divided we fall. How true this is on a conscious and physical plane. But when we look past the conscious, when we see past the physical, and we see through the eyes of the divine, we will see that all is one. Hopefully, after seeing that we are all one, hopefully we can act accordingly. Be one, be happy, be united. The affirmation for today is, I am one with joy, beauty, grace, and peace. I give love to all who come to my awareness. Peace and blessings.